Obtaining a no objection certificate for a peaceful process in Pakistan involves navigating both legal and administrative proceedings. Here is a detailed legal analysis of the purpose. Constitution of Pakistan, Article 16 grant a right of peaceful assembly subject to reasonable restrictions in the interest of public order. Public Order Act 2024. This act outlines the conditions under which the assemblies can be registered or be banned. It requires the organization to obtain an NOC from the local authorities. Police Order 2002. The law provides the police with the authority to regulate public assemblies and ensure the public order. Steps to obtain NOC application is given to the relevant local authorities such as district commissioner. The application should be included details like purpose of the protest, date, time, location, and the estimated number of the participant. Documentation: any document which is required by the local authority should be given to it, and which can be include a detailed plan of the event or any specific document which is pointed out by the local authority. Review process: the local authority will review the applications to ensure that a protest will not disturb the public order or violates any law. The involvement of the consultation with the police can be done if it's required. Security arrangement: organizations who should arrange security measures, and if it is required then they should appoint private security guards or they should consult with the local law enforcement agency. Approval or rejection: after reviewing the application, the local authorities can grant or deny NOC. If granted, then NOC will outline any conditions or restrictions that must be adhered to during protest. Appeal process: if NOC is denied, organizer has the right to appeal the decision. This usually involves submitting a written appeal to the higher authority within local administration. Key consideration: comply with the condition. It is crucial for the organization to comply with all the conditions specified in SOP to avoid legal repercussions. Public order authorities have discretion to deny NOC because of breach of public order. Legal resources: NOC is a unjustly denied. Organization can seek legal resources through courts and challenge the decision. Recent development: the Peaceful Assembly and the Public Order Act 2024 has introduced stricter requirement for obtaining NOC, which raise concerns about the human rights organization about potential restrictions on the peaceful right of assembly.